Welcome to iScopeMedia. We bring you the latest news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. The Supreme Court on Friday sought response from former Twitter Managing Director Manish Maheshwari on an appeal of the Uttar Pradesh government against the Karnataka High Court's decision to squash a notice seeking his personal appearance as part of the probe into the communally sensitive video uploaded by a user on the microblogging site. A bench headed by Chief Justice N.V. Ramana took note of the submissions of the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta appearing for the state government and issued notice to Maheshwari, who has been transferred to the USA by his employer Twitter Inc. in August. Earlier, the state government, which had filed a plea through Senior Superintendent of Police of Ghaziabad, had on September 8 mentioned its appeal for an urgent hearing. The plea challenges the July 23rd order of the Karnataka High Court quashing the notice issued to Maheshwari to appear before the police and cooperate in the probe related to the uploading of the communally sensitive video on Twitter. The Karnataka High Court has interfered with the summons issued to then Twitter Managing Director by the Uttar Pradesh Police, the law officer had said. Holding the notice as nullified, the High Court had said the notice under Section 41, Subclause A of the CRPC should be treated as section under 160 of the CRPC, allowing the Ghaziabad police to question Maheshwari through virtual mode at his office or his residential address in Bengaluru. Maintaining that the provisions of the status under Section 41A CRPC should not be permitted to become tools of harassment, it had said that the Ghaziabad police did not place any material which would demonstrate even the prima facie involvement of the petitioner. Through the hearing has been going on from the past several days. In the background of the fact that Section 41A notice was issued by nullified, the right petition is maintainable. According the notice under Section Annexure, a notice shall be read as Section 160 of the CRPC, the High Court had said. The Ghaziabad police had issued a notice under Section 41A of the CRPC on June 21, asking him to report at the Loni Border Police Station at 10:30 a.m. on June 24th. Maheshwari then moved to Karnataka High Court as he was at that time staying in Bengaluru in Karnataka. On June 24th, the High Court, in an interim order, restrained the Ghaziabad police from initiating any coercive action against him. The Ghaziabad police on June 15 booked Twitter Inc., Twitter Communication India Private Limited, news website The Wire, journalist Mohammad Zubair and Rana Ayub, besides many Congress leaders. They were booked over the circulation of a video in which an elderly man, Abdul Samad Saifi, alleged that he was thrashed by some young men who also asked him to chant Jai Shri Ram on June 5. According to police, the video was shared to cause communal unrest. Now stay with us, we shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Singh reporting for iScopeMedia.